Yeah, she was holding that now? Yes.
Well, she didn't want to lose them really either. Since they're official 1943 eyewear.
Yeah, hand them to me.
Yeah. You want to hold on?
Yeah, hand them over. Oh, she's got them on. She's got them on.
She got them on. Okay.
As long as they're on her face and not in her hands, we're okay.
Let me see. There we go. She's got it. Okay. You can put the left leg out of the right leg, whichever one you feel best with. There we go.
Yes.
Okay, I got you. I'm right behind you.
You want to get out?
How do I get my leg down?
Lean against the
There you go.
Okay.
Now lean back and hold on.
Okay, you got it? Get a picture of you and Scott. Thank you.
But you didn't give me a roll.
Cut out. You didn't
Give me a roll.
Come on.
She's more
Just put
excited.
your arms around me and I'll lower you down. There you go. Perfect. You